What's up, everybody? This is Jack from Crypto 49er, bringing you my knowledge in cryptocurrency. So today I'll talk about learning from masters, deep dive into RSI. But before I do, I want to remind you guys I give away $5 in Litecoin or $10 on CryptoBridge. All you have to do is answer the trivia questions I post up on Wednesday's video. Remember, you have to answer on YouTube this week. Good luck, everybody. And on to today's topic. So today I want to talk about learning from the masters, and I'll explain why. I realized I can't make a profit off YouTube. Even as I build an audience, there's just so many things going against me. Crypto is falling on a regular basis, plus might be whales manipulating it. People are losing interest. YouTube is banning cryptocurrency ads in June. So for people like me that are making cryptocurrency videos, our videos most likely can't be monetized. And I realized this. So I saw this video. My girlfriend is too sexy for YouTube, and it says demonetized. So this guy, Jared Campisi, he and his girlfriend makes videos on YouTube about all kinds of stuff. I think mainly about like the motorcycles and stuff like that. But point being, whenever she makes video about her trying on new bikinis and stuff like that, it gets too sexy, they get really into and explain why they can't monetize off of those videos. And they have so much more hits than I do. Obviously, they have such a huge following, millions of people, and they have, like, just for this video alone, almost 1 million views. And this video, they can't monetize from it. So it's really sad. Part of it, like a lot of the people that buy the ads from YouTube, they didn't like what happened last year with their ads being put on hate speech, things like that. So, but honestly, at this point, it's gonna be hard for me to make any profit off of YouTube. So that's why I'm changing my strategy with this channel. I'm prioritizing what I can make money right now. And this is how I see it. So right now, the only way I can think of to make money right now is to day trade and swing trade off cryptos. That's the most important thing if I learn to really master it. And from there, I can go on the midterm, once I'm actually pretty good at day trading and swing trading crypto, then I can look into investing in ICOs if that's still available to me at that point, just because the ICO market is very weird these days in terms of how the SEC want to lock it down. Not sure what's going to happen by then, but point being, I don't really even have that kind of capital to really invest in ICOs anyway. So finally, the longer term is to audience build on YouTube, because until YouTube figure out that situation, or until I build up a large enough audience, there's really no point to even worry about monetizing on YouTube. Right now, that's the reason why I'm focusing on learning to day trade and swing trade. Because originally, I want to show you guys too, I actually had like a whole bunch of, you guys know me. I told you guys like on the comment section that you guys asked me for these different videos that to make, like, oh, can you check out this coin? Can you check out that coin? So add them onto this list here, video ideas for cryptocurrency. And I'll add my own ideas in here and pick out whatever I like to talk about that day for that day or for that week. But right now, I'm just going to drop this whole entire thing because there's no point to actually even look at this list, because all these coins, I mean, some of them are pretty interesting, like Icon. I really thought about talking about it, but at this current market, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to, actually, the only direction if it's going to go is down. That's it. So there's almost 99% of these coins right now are just going to head downwards. Once in a while, they might go up a little bit, but for overall, everything's heading downhill. There's nothing really interesting to talk about in cryptocurrency overall. That's why I'm going to concentrate on day trading and swing trading. So you won't be seeing me covering new or existing coins for the next month or so. Instead, I'll be making videos about what I learned from other YouTubers on crypto trading. The goal is to make 50% gains from trading $200. Basically, I'm going to make $100. It's a very small goal, I know. But the whole point is, I won't be discouraged from making bad trades, because I know I will be making bad trades, and I'm gonna show you guys that right now. What I've learned so far, what the trades I've done, and how much I've lost. Technically, it's not much, but I'll just show you guys all that right now. But ultimately, I expect to hit this goal within 1 month. So having said that, so I picked Philocone. That's one of the people that I'm gonna watch through all his videos. Basically, for the end of March to pretty much most of April, I'm just going to be watching through all of his videos and learning as much as I can from every one of those videos and talking about it, and just letting you guys know what I learned from him, because I feel like he knows a lot. He's been doing this for over 2 years from what he said. He actually showed you, if you follow his Twitter feed, there's a lot of times he'll show you that he actually making profit on live trades. So obviously, if you guys want to learn along with me, you could definitely watch his videos as well. He has over 24 lessons of all the strategies, all the indicators you could use for day trading and swing trading. And it's funny too how like his recent tweet to one of this guy, so Jonathan S right here said, tough to trade in a market that dumps on you once a day and takes any profit you grind, to starting to doubt crypto a little bit, to be honest. And then Philicon responded, please don't be discouraged, John. Treat this as a journey that's competitive. If you don't maintain a winning spirit, the experienced players in the game will have successfully shaken people, which is their original intention. Stay positive and keep learning. I'm really encouraged the fact that he's actually so positive to other traders. And it's funny, he said that he's not sure why this guy deleted his Twitter account. Maybe Jonathan S got so upset that he actually deleted Twitter as well. Who knows what happened. But anyway, so I have already been watching some of his tutorials, and today I just finished watching his RSI tutorial, and I'm just going to cover what I learned from him basically. So we all know the basic idea that when the RSI goes above 70, it's overbought. When it goes below 30, it's oversold. But I really didn't know that there's this whole Brown's RSI rule. There's a bullish zone, there's a bearish zone, and there's a neutral zone. I mean, it makes sense to me that 40 to 85 or greater is the bullish zone, and the bearish zone is less than 20 to 60, and the neutral zone is between 35 to 65, and then you have to use a 30-minute chart to gauge momentum loss. The other thing I learned from watching his video is this: the entry signal is a double bottom in the RSI, and the sell signal is a double top. Well, first of all, let's go over the double bottom right now. So essentially, this is a double bottom. You can see that it not only fell once below the 30, but then it bounced right back up and it fell again below 20 this time even. So that's what they call a double bottom. And then double top is obviously same thing too, but in this case, you want to see a double top and Bitcoin hasn't had a double top in a bit. The closest we got, this is just right over here actually, we got a double top. So you can see that if you draw a trend line over here, you can see a descending trend line. So you can see that this previous top is higher than this current top right here, and that's what you consider as a sell position. I mean, in this case, it can't continue going higher, obviously, because it was such a momentum push, but it really depends. This is one of many indicators. But what he was trying to point out is that you want to see it turn bearish before you actually sell it. I mean, you can if you want to, obviously, but his idea is you want to see what the resistance on RSI is, not just reading the market itself, but reading the RSI and looking for resistance over here. You can see the resistance around right here. So basically the idea is you don't sell until it goes below this line. And then when it did go below this line, that's when you can sell. And then that's when you see it right after that. You see, if you sell around here, you would have made a huge profit, from this whole point. And then you can sold, and then you see it bottoming out, even if it gets oversold at this point. So that's pretty much the idea. And that's what I basically followed on my most recent trade right here. So like this morning, I saw it fell a lot. I was like, okay, let me try to get in around this area right here. So I got in around right over here somewhere, but then I saw it kind of flattening out. I was like, oh, crap. And the other problem is that there was just not enough strength to push past the 60. There was a huge resistance on the 60. So you can see it right here on the 30-minute chart. They pushed past a little bit and it got rejected. So, and then pushed past a little bit again and it got rejected. And this is where actually I bought in around here, and I sold it right over here. So actually I sold at a loss. I'm going to show you guys right now too. Again, I'm just playing with very small amounts. So I bought it at 80.66 and I sold at 80.26 because originally if I wasn't following RSI, I would probably have, I had a stop loss around 7,900, so which is where it currently is, a little bit lower than that. So it would have triggered anyway because I think it fell, one of these candles really, the wick one right below, it's like 78.71 actually the close, you can see. So it would have triggered. So, but because once I saw this coming down so fast, I was like, okay, I need to sell it as soon as possible because I saw it as this. The fact that it can't push past 60, that means that there's definitely going to be a drop really quickly. And I was right because I saw it, and it's really what I learned from Philicon. It's really, you can see it. So you can see that there's just not enough strength here. And you can see that there was a downtrend going on here too. So I saw this right over here. There was this downward trend in terms of RSI strength. You can see that was coming down. It's like, okay, this is not good. So immediately, once I saw that, and then I saw this as my first signal that I needed to sell soon. And then the second signal was when I saw that it hit 60 and couldn't pass 60 again. That's when I was like, okay, I need to sell as soon as possible. And that's when I got out around here. So I basically took a minor loss. It saved me from really taking a huge loss by having it drop all the way down here. And pretty much that's the idea. So that's pretty much my video for today. And this is how it's going to be for the next 20 plus day, I would think, because the next one I'll be covering is just the MACD, learning things that I mean, I'm sure people know enough about the MACD already, but there's got to be more details to it. And that's what I will hope to learn from his video tomorrow. So anyway, guys, that's my video for today. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are day trading as well, and let me know if you have been successful, hopefully more successful than I have. Granted, honestly, I'm still relatively new to day trading, and I'm just learning as we go, just like most other people out there, right? Alright, thank you guys for watching. Smash the like button for me if you can. If it isn't crypto, it isn't worth mining, it isn't worth speculating. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.